Unknown miscreants placed a grenade at the residential gate of Imphal Finance Managing Director Wairokpam Guneshwar today. Surveillance footage captured a suspect on a yellow and white striped Vespa without a registration number, placing the grenade concealed in a black plastic bag at the gates of Guneshwar's residence in Singjamai Chingamaka, Tomal Leirak, under the jurisdiction of Singjamai Police Station in Imphal West around 11:22 p.m. A team from Singjamai Police Station quickly arrived at the scene and launched an investigation. The grenade was safely defused by the bomb disposal squad. A case has been filed at Singjamai Police Station in connection with the incident. In response, Manager of Imphal Finance Loklaubung Branch Potsangbam Ibotombi seek clarification on the motive behind the threat. He urged the responsible parties to desist from such acts and called for dialogue to address the underlying issues.
Si sekhongdana pung taramathoiga makhai smain tarak swaista khoi managing director obiriba Guneshwar gi yumda sakhangdaba ma laaga kariyoma pot ama thammame na khoi takpirapodagi khoi phomsida laksabani raga potsi sengjangai hojing matamgi kenodu oilerame thammamiba potsi kari marongi kari gidamuga thambirama haiba potu da khoi ta sengna tangdang ma khoi khangjadi adu maramasina Thambiramiba Marilina Haitare Adumba, Thambirami Mio Kari Marongi Thambiramin Hadu Montang, Sengopio, Karim Aquina Karitoruba, Kariakaiba Legi Habusu, Antang Segopio de Anuaini.